Hello, learners. Welcome to Computer Pathshala. Today, in our very first class, we are going to study about basic information related to computer. Some topics I am just sharing with you which topics we have to cover in this video. Computer system, about the features of computer, uses of computers in our life, and jobs of the computer. So, this is a computer. A computer system is an electronic device that accepts data, processes it, stores it, and produces meaningful information. As you all are seeing through the picture, that a computer system consists of four main parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. So let's discuss about the features of computer. Some features are that makes us useful in our daily lives. These are speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, versatility, and automation. In the picture, you are able to see that computer never makes mistakes because it's a smart machine. It's never get tired and it can store so many things. But some important features, let me explain. So first thing which we are going to discuss is computer speed. Speed means calculation. Computer can perform millions of calculation in seconds. Second is accuracy. Accuracy means the result which we get from the computer. These are the accurate result. As we are saying, computer never make mistakes. Computer is a storage device. Okay, so computer can also store large amount of information. That means if you want to store anything, you can use the computer to store. Next is diligency. So what is diligency? Diligency means without getting tired, the computer is working continuously. जैसे कि हम लोग थक जाते हैं, हम लोग अगर वर्क करते हैं तो थक जाते हैं, पर क्या कंप्यूटर थकता है? No, computer never gets tired. So that is the point which is known as diligency. Diligency means it works continuously without getting tired. Next is versatility. Computer can perform different tasks such as typing, drawing, gaming, and internet browsing. What do you mean by computer versatility? Versatility means versatile forms, means different task. कंप्यूटर बहुत सारे टास्क एक ही टाइम पर कर सकता है. वो उस टाइम पर टाइपिंग भी कर सकते हैं, ड्राइंग भी कर सकते हैं, गेम भी खेल सकते हैं, इंटरनेट ब्राउजिंग भी कर सकते हैं. So that means it can perform different tasks in one single time. Next is automation. Automation means computer perform different tasks automatically once the instructions are given. जैसे कि हम क्या करते हैं, हमें कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है या बच्चों को कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देता है तो वो एक बार में मानते हैं? नहीं मानते हैं. बार बार उनको इंस्ट्रक्शन देना पड़ता है, बार बार याद दिलाना पड़ता है कि ये वर्क आपको करना है. बट कंप्यूटर को सिर्फ एक ही बार इंस्ट्रक्शन देना पड़ता है. सो दैट इज नोन एज ऑटोमेशन, दैट कंप्यूटर works automatically once instructions are given. So these are the basic features which makes computer an essential part of our modern life. Now just see the uses of the computers. Nowadays we know that computers are used in almost every field of life, in education, in business, in banks, home, mall, railway stations, hospitals, communications, entertainment. Okay, so that's why, because of all these uses, computers have become an important part of our daily routine. As students are using computers for online learning and research. If we talk related to business, computer help maintain records and manage the accounts. In banks, they are used for transaction. Transaction means transfer of the money. And customer services are also provided nowadays through banks online. Now in hospitals also, computer help maintain the patient records and the medical reports. These all have been done with the help of computer only. In communication, computer help us to send emails, messages and make video calls also. In entertainment, every time we are watching movies, listening to music, watching videos, playing games, so this also became a very important part of our entertainment. Now we are going to discuss about different jobs on the computer. So these, see on the picture, these are the different jobs. Here the student is working over here. He is doing something related to the education. See, the student is just listening the video. Okay, here, the student is playing games. Here, the students are drawing something. Here, some dance videos is getting watched. Here, the person is typing. That means different jobs are there. For on computers, we can do different type of jobs. Now, the next main thing we are going to discuss about parts. As I have discussed that computer has some main parts. So we'll discuss about it. First main part is the monitor. See, it looks like the TV screen, and that is also known as visual display unit. It shows the text which you type through a keyboard. That means whatever we are typing from the keyboard, it is visible on the monitor only. So that it displays the result. That means the output which we are typing, which we are speaking, that all things have been visible on the monitor. Next is the keyboard. This is the standard keyboard that has 104 keys. These keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. We basically use it to type, and it helps us to create documents, to write emails, and to enter any information. The next is mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons, or we can say in some mouse there are three buttons also. It is used to point and select any item on the screen. It also helps us to draw pictures and play different games. So that's why it is also known as the pointing device, because it is used to control the cursor on the screen. We can just control whatever we want to watch. We can take our cursor to that video or that file, and then we'll click and open it. So it is basically used to draw pictures, to play games, to open files, and it makes our working very easy and fast. Next. Next part is the CPU, that is the very important part of the computer, that is also known as the brain of the computer. Why? As we all process एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम अवर ब्रेन, अगर हमें कुछ भी चीज सोचनी है, कोई वर्क करना है, कोई चीज लर्न करनी है, कुछ याद रखना है, एवरीथिंग विल डू विद अवर ब्रेन. So here also all the type of calculations, all the data stored, all the information, where to put, where to save, everything has been done by the CPU. So that's why it process all the instructions and it perform calculations also. That means it is basically used to control. इसके अंदर controlling power है. It is used to control all the activities of the computer and help different other parts to work together. Next is printer. So it is an output device basically. Why? Because it is used to take the printout of the text on a paper, whether it's a printout of some text written on a page or some pictures. And that printed copy is known as hard copy. That means the copy which is on the monitor which we are watching, that is a soft copy. But if we are taking it from the printer, so that printed copy is known as hard copy. Basically, we see that printers are commonly used in schools, offices, banks, homes to produce reports, certificates, and other documents. This is a speaker. Speakers are used to play the recorded sound stored on a computer. Or we can also watch videos, attend online classes, listen to the music, and hear notification from the computer. This all has been done with the help of the speaker. They basically improve the multimedia experience of the computer. So thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. So today we learned about different parts of the computer such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speaker. These devices work together to help us perform various tasks efficiently. I hope you found this presentation useful and informative. Thank you.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।